Presenting the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of volcanic black and emerald forest. The phone has display of 3216 by 1440, 120 Hz QHD plus Fluid AMOLED and 6.7 inches. The phone also has multi-brightness color calibration, auto brightness and screen color temperature. Nature tone display, manual brightness and in-display fingerprint sensor. It has 48MP main camera, 8MP telephoto lens and 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera. It has front, selfie. It has Sony IMX789 lens, OIS, Pro mode and portrait mode. Hasselblad camera for mobile, long exposure mode, and smart scene recognition. It comes with 5000 mAh. It supports dual LED and connector type, USB Type-C. It runs on Oxygen OS based on Android 12. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It also features fingerprint scanner, LED flash and camera. The delivery box contains adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.